Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to use timer function blocks in Codesys. To the programming rung we want to add an empty function block. If we then open up the standard tab and go to the timer map, we can find the three different timer function blocks. I will add two more rungs and add all three kind of timers to the program. To make the timer blocks work, we need to add the tags required for each timer block. The input called IN is a bool tag. It's the tag that will make the timer start counting. The output called Q is also a bool tag. It will trigger once the timer reached its set point. The output named ET is a time tag. This output will make us see what the elapsed time is. The input called PT stands for preset time. I will leave this input open for now, cause on this input we can choose by ourselves what time we want in the program. I will now add the tags we just made to each of the timer blocks. On the PT input we can choose for how long the counters will count for. To do so we type in T#, followed by the time we want to use. I will put mine to 5 seconds, so I type 5s. Now the timer blocks are ready and we can compile the program to check if there's any errors. Everything looks fine, so I will now start the simulation and go online. Now let's test out all three blocks. The TON timer block will count up for 5 seconds, and once it reached the preset time it will trigger the Q output. The T-off timer block will trigger the Q output immediately once the in input go high. Then when it goes low the timer will start to count up for the preset time of 5 seconds. And once it's at 5 the Q output will turn off again. The TP timer block will also trigger the Q output immediately once the in input go high. But it will start counting immediately. Once it reached the preset time it will turn off the Q output. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.